we are in the official Twitter account of Shiba Inu, okay, and here you can see that the Shiba Inu have 3.1 million followers, which is great. And this is the website of Shiba Inu, shibatoken.com. And let's talk about some update. Okay, this is the pinned tweet from Shiba Inu, and yesterday, means one day ago, Shiba Inu has made one tweet, and what they have written: in the first 24 hours, over 8 billion SHIB was burned through the SHIB burn portal. Now this is the SHIB burn portal website. Okay, you can see here SHIB burn portal website. Just a second. So let's click on this. So here you can see this is written: turn your dollar into a passive income. Welcome to the SHIB burn portal. You can read here. After coming here now, you need to come at Shiba Swap. Okay, so you need to click on back to Shiba Swap, just like this. After this, you will get one option of connect wallet. You can connect your wallet from Trust Wallet also, or from MetaMask also. So let me connect my wallet. So as you can see, I have connected my wallet. Here you can see everything. Okay, Oof Doggy Dow Swap. If you click on swap token, so from here you can swap token also. Okay, so many things is coming here also. From if you click on menu now, in this, then you can read white paper also, and frequently asked question DAO audit. You can read everything here. Okay, now let's talk about what is the actual meaning of burn, and why it is written that from burning you can earn passive income. So let's read about this. So for this, we are going on this website. Okay, see here, burn.shibaswap.com/details. Please watch the video till end. Now here it is written, what does burning mean? So the burning means to burn SHIB is to remove them from circulation forever. Means if we burn SHIB token, it means we are removing them from circulation forever. Tokens are transferred to a burn address, is a wallet from which they cannot be retrieved. Tokens are transferred to a dead wallet from which they cannot be retrieved. Once a token is sent to a burn address or dead wallet, it's gone forever. A burnt cryptocurrency has a reduced supply, making the tokens scarcer. Means what happens if we burn Shiba Inu token na, then what happens that its supply also reduced. A scarcity can increase the price of the token. If the supply got reduced, then the price of token also increase, which benefits investor, but it is not always guaranteed. Okay, if you want to burn SHIB token, then burn it at your own risk. Okay, here you can read everything is written, or disclaimer also written, disclaimer for burning $SHIB using this portal. Here you can check everything is written here. Okay, so comment below, are you excited regarding SHIB burn token? And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.